perfect laundry, the right amount of detergent.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common, yet often overlooked aspect of doing laundry. How much detergent should you use when adding it directly to your washer? Getting the right amount is crucial for clean, fresh-smelling clothes. The right amount of detergent depends on the load size, soil level, and the detergent's concentration.
Understanding load size.
Firstly, let's discuss load size. Generally, a small load fills about 1/3 of your machine, a medium load fills about 1/2, and a large load fills it almost completely. For a small load, you should use about 1/2 of the recommended amount of detergent. For a medium load, use the recommended amount. For a large load, use 1.5 times the recommended amount. Remember, using more detergent than needed doesn't necessarily result in cleaner clothes. It can even leave residue and lead to wear and tear on your clothes and machine.
Assessing soil level.
Next, let's talk about the soil level. If your clothes are heavily soiled with dirt or stains, you might need to add a bit more detergent than usual. However, a pre-wash or soak could be a better alternative to just adding more detergent.
Detergent concentration.
Lastly, take into account your detergent's concentration. Detergents come in different forms: liquid, powder, pods, and high efficiency, HE. The latter is designed for HE washers and usually is more concentrated. For liquid and powder detergents, the cap or scoop that comes with the package usually indicates the recommended amount for a medium load. Pods generally are designed for 1 pod per medium load. High efficiency, HE, detergents require less because they produce fewer suds and are more concentrated. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for these. We hope this video has been helpful in figuring out how much detergent to use when adding it directly to your washer. Remember, the right amount of detergent is key for maintaining the longevity of your clothes and washer. Until next time, happy washing!